Today we're going on a guided tour of the Sistine Chapel. Actually, I believe we're going to be there before the public, so there shouldn't be anybody else there. So we'll have the whole place to ourselves except for the people in our tour. And I believe they serve an American breakfast. So we're going to meet our driver downstairs and head on over there. See you there. Welcome to the Sistine Chapel. Get ready for a journey through history, art, and culture that will blow your mind. This masterpiece of Renaissance art is located in the heart of the Vatican City and was built in the late 15th century as a private chapel for the Pope. The chapel is named after Pope Sistine IV, who commissioned its construction, and it features stunning frescoes painted by some of the greatest artists of all time, including Michelangelo. Touring the Vatican Museums and Sistine Chapel are very popular. Thousands of tourists tour the Sistine Chapel each day. Later in the video, I'll show you how you can tour like we did without all the crowds, so stay tuned for that. Nobody here.
The Sistine Chapel is part of the Vatican Museums, which is a complex of museums and galleries that display some of the most significant works of art and artifacts from around the world. The museums have a vast collection of art and historical treasures that span over 2,000 years of human history, including classical sculptures, Renaissance paintings, and ancient Egyptian artifacts. Some of the most famous museums connected to the Sistine Chapel include the Raphael Rooms, which were also decorated by the great Renaissance artist Raphael, and the Borgia apartment, which is decorated for the Pope Alexander VI in the late 15th century. The Vatican Museums have several stunning mosaic floors that are as much a work of art as the paintings and sculptures that they display. These intricate designs are made up of tiny colored tiles put together as a mosaic, which are arranged in intricate patterns to create breathtakingly beautiful images.
Michelangelo is famous for his incredible ceiling frescoes that he painted from 1508 to 1512. These frescoes depict scenes from the book of Genesis, including the iconic creation of Adam, where God reaches out and touches Adam's hand. It's considered one of the greatest achievements of Western art, and it's admired for its technical and artistic mastery. But the Sistine Chapel is not only famous for its stunning artworks, it's also a place of significant culture and historic events, such as the papal elections and the conclaves. Today, millions of people visit the chapel every year to admire its beauty and experience the spirituality of this unique place. Visiting the Sistine Chapel is an unforgettable experience. The beauty and the grandeur of the chapel are breathtaking, and the artworks are so rich in detail and meaning that you'll want to stare at them forever. So if you ever had an opportunity to visit the Sistine Chapel, take your time and appreciate every detail of this incredible masterpiece. The Sistine Chapel is not only a masterpiece of art, but it's also a testament to the creative and cultural achievements of the Renaissance period. Its incredible beauty and historic significance continue to inspire and captivate people from all over the world, and it remains one of the most treasured cultural landmarks in the world.
I've always been interested in seeing the Sistine Chapel as I dabble in some paintings, some oil paintings. I've taken a few classes. And to see these works of art in actual life is unbelievable.
Well, we just had breakfast. It comes with a tour. I don't know if I got any shots of the breakfast, but I cannot recommend this highly enough. This was well worth the price. I think it was maybe 60 something bucks a piece. It was $126 for two of us. And we were here, I think it started at 7:30 in the morning. Make sure you grab a taxi, get here by 7:15, work your way in. It's pretty easy. Just there's people in the front, they'll direct you. You book online, you show the barcode, and you just get right on in. They give you these little headsets and you have your own personal guide, and she's very, very informative. We were there before the public. As you see in some of the footage, that it was just empty. It was just us, maybe one or two tours. But as you can see behind me, people are starting to gather around, and more people. And by midday, they said that it would be standing room only, and you'll be shoulder to shoulder. And it was just breathtaking. I can't even explain the magnitude of the frescoes, and I just can't believe that this is even a thing. So, well worth the price. If you're coming to the Sistine Chapel, definitely want to get morning breakfast tour with the American breakfast and the early tour before the public.